In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Wix website dashboard. Wix is a popular platform for creating impressive websites with ease, allowing both beginners and experienced web designers to build and manage sites efficiently. Whether you're updating your website's content, managing SEO settings, or analyzing visitor metrics, being able to access your Wix dashboard is crucial for effective website management. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Wix website editor. You can do this by typing the URL for the Wix website editor into the address bar at the top of your browser window. If you're not already logged into your Wix account, you'll be prompted to do so at this point. Simply enter your login credentials to proceed. Once inside the editor, you'll be at the heart of your website creation space, which is home to all of your active website projects. The Wix editor is where you can customize your site's design, add or remove content, and get a preview of how your site will look to visitors. Next, look for the Wix logo within the Wix editor interface. Clicking on the Wix logo is one of the intuitive shortcuts to navigate directly to your website's dashboard. The dashboard is where you'll find a suite of management tools at your fingertips. This one-click process is designed to save time as you switch between creating and managing your site, making your workflow as seamless as possible. Once in the dashboard, you'll see a variety of options and tools that are available to you. This area allows you to manage various aspects of your website, including adding new site members, reviewing visitor analytics, adjusting payment settings if you're running an online store or business, and so much more. It's worth taking a few minutes to explore all the sections within the dashboard to get familiar with what each part offers, ensuring you can fully leverage the power of Wix for your site's needs, and there you have it. Accessing your Wix website dashboard is as simple as logging into the Wix editor and clicking the Wix logo. This direct access means you can easily switch between designing your website and managing its operation without any hassle. Understanding how to navigate these basic elements will not only enhance your efficiency, but also empower you to take full control of your website's performance and appearance. Should you encounter any issues or if something seems unclear, Wix offers comprehensive support options, including an extensive help center packed with articles and tutorials to assist with virtually any aspect of site building or management. By regularly using the dashboard, not only will you become more proficient with Wix, but you'll also be able to deliver a more engaging experience to your site's visitors. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy website building!